Welcome to our new listing in Northwest Redmond. This home has been very well maintained and is located on a friendly sidewalk-lined street. Come on in and let's take a look. This single-level home has excellent separation of space, with 3 bedrooms and a bath near the front of the home, one of which could easily be used as an office or den. The airy great room has vaulted ceilings that create an inviting and open atmosphere, while the stylish kitchen shines with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, and a smart layout designed for effortless cooking. Step outside to your own private retreat, featuring a paver patio ideal for cookouts, gatherings, and cozy evenings around the fire pit. Located on a charming street with a friendly feel, this home is in a prime spot to explore all the beauty and adventure Central Oregon has to offer, without the constraints of an HOA. Come see this beautiful property today.